What's going on YouTube? It's your boy Cool Kicks. We are back for another video. Still out in Orlando, hitting up as many shops I can. Man, I gotta get plenty of videos for you guys. We are at the Nike Outlet International Drive. Let's go see what's up. All right, at a pretty big outlet mall. Let's check out this Nike Outlet. Let's go. All right, actually more of an outlet. Do have a back wall and stuff. All right, let's look around, see what's up. Our men's section on the left over here, 30% off the back wall. See if we can find something. Found something at the last spot, so let's go. All right, man, not looking too promising. What the heck are these? Nike Free Crater Trail Boot N7s. That's the longest title. Yeah, $85 for these bad boys. This is size 10. Let's see what's going on with these Vapor Max right here. These bad boys. Going for $140. The Mox right here. The ACG Mox going for $95. Oh no, we're good. Then got some golf. These are 9.5. Jordan 12 low playoff golfs right here. $180 for those. Ton of these Sakai's. Seen these. It's in the 10 section, but seen a bunch of these $100. Jordan 7s, 30% off. Alright, I think these should be 30% off, man. We're gonna throw them back. Didn't really see anything in the smaller sizes. Air Max 97 Terra Escapes going for $120, way too much. Presto's going for $75. Saw these at the clearance store. I forgot how much they were there. 95s, what these going for? These are small too. $110, size 9.5. GT Jumps, retail. It's a different color with the Sakai's. Yeah, the all white. A little bit of gray, size 13, $110 for those. So they dropped the price and it's on sale. Wow. All right, big feet gang, not much. Small feet gang, not much. Just not much. Not much. Let's go check out the aisle. All right, we're gonna switch things up. We're gonna look for men's apparel. Is it on that side? I think men's apparel's on that side. Just 3 of these racks that are 30% off apparel. Let's look. Splatter paint tee to match your white cement. I don't know. $40 for these. Maybe not. Super thick Nike shirt, $30. It's an XL, and then it has a Nike embroidery on it. Nike yoga t-shirt, this XL. Why is there a line that goes directly in the middle? I don't understand it at all. I don't know. But yeah, what's the dry fit? $21. That's normally freaking $50 for a t-shirt, really? Kentucky blue sweatshirts, normally 7 to 5, down to 67. Not big of a discount. Not that big of a discount. And then also got these right here. These are definitely not 120 retail, but 55. You do get an extra 30 off all this, so not too bad, just not great. Got some super bright red hoodies. These are down to 25. These are well priced, 30% off on top. Tech fleece right here is Tech Pack. And the Tech Pack is just slightly different because that part right there isn't fleece, I believe. I don't know. But yeah, $38, another 30 off on top. That's definitely one of the cheapest we've seen that. If they have my size, I'm gonna have to grab one because that's under $30. And then that's probably a leftover. That's why that's so cheap. Yeah, definitely don't see a large. They do see this right here. This is a double XL, and that's $130 for Tech Fleece. Oh my goodness. Got some golf stuff right here, $60 for those, which is a bargain because golf stuff is, look, that normal price $95 down to $42. Some slack shorts, some bougie shorts going for $35. Ton of this type of stuff. Like that color's just definitely not for me. $41 for that. Fleece, 40% off. This is like hella bright though. We saw this earlier. These look pretty mediocre. Normally 85, 60 to get that 40 off on top. Still not worth it. I was like, what state are we in? I was like, we're not in LA. We're not in California. $80, no extra discounts. Do have AD jerseys. I'm surprised these aren't being clearanced out. $80 down from $110. Right next to LeBron merch. And do have backpacks, but I don't know if we have any that are dope enough to grab. This one might. No, the side pocket's not big enough for water bottles. I do like the strap. And a ton of padding on the back. 50 bucks. Normally 85, so pretty decent discount. We got some of these other backpacks. This is more of a lightweight backpack, $35. This one's very similar to that one, material-wise and stuff. Just the color's different. 85 down to 49 for those. Is this Tech Fleece? This is Tech Fleece, ain't it? I don't know. Maybe I'm way off. But yeah, I do got the fleece jackets right here. These are down to $60. Normally like 100 and something. 30% off, so it goes down to $42. These are going for regular price, $115. Dang, so I guess you just get the jackets, because man, that's too much for that. All right, let's go check out the aisles, see what's going on in the aisle section. Dude got some penny twos in a colorway I have not seen before. Material is definitely different as well. Got some canvas on it, nubuck, and that is wheat gold safety orange black colorway right there. Going for regular price, $210. $210. Good lord. Cost more than the LeBron 7 FAMUs, and this does have that nice soft, like super long hair suede. Dude got these. Went to one of the outlets and they had it for 30% off. That was just earlier today. LeBron 2s, been consistently seeing these. Witness 7s, got a trio of these bad boys. I bet these are the 6s only. The first one was a 7. You got Soldiers. Take 1-3 budget Westbrooks right here. Does have the budget. Does have the Westbrook logo on top. Do got Max Armas. These are Jordan brand. Got another one right here. And they're looking worse and worse. Like lift off right here. Not a fan of these. And the Flight Origins. Then Jordan 3 retro. Look at this. I should have looked at the date, because I wonder if the one that I got just now, if that's a 2018 model. This is a 2022 model. I think I want to say, I'm trying to figure out when I got mine. Was it a 2018? I don't remember. I don't think it was a 2022 though. I don't know. I'm gonna have to check. We got these play slides, the PSG Jordan play sides. These are pretty nice. Seem pretty comfortable. We've seen these for $30 and then 30% off. But that was what it was in the clearance section. These will eventually make it there. Probably not every size. That's the difficult thing. You know, is your size going to be available? So these are called the super play slides, not just the play slides. The Jordan super play slides. Okay, that's interesting. The outsole seems to be the same. This seems to feel slightly different. Yeah, it feels slightly different. Yeah, I think this one's a little harder. But yeah, dude got these bad boys, 45. Then got some real Jordans for all you Jordan heads. Jordan 1 Low Golf with that tumbled leather. Then do got Air More Tempos. I'm so happy to see these. This is a mostly canvas upper. Pretty interesting, $140. I'm so glad to start seeing Air More Tempos here, because they are cheaper and then they'll go on sale even more. I need to get some more colorways. Zion 2s, Cosmic Unities, Blazer Mids, another one of those. Blazer Mid Premiums with, what kind of, is that canvas? Yeah, canvas upper. Another one of those, slightly different. Trainer 1s. Then you get this for 30% off. Turbo green looking colorway. Wow, that's hella cheap. Manoa leathers, pretty dope if you see these in the clearance section eventually. Kind of tough though, but that's what boots are supposed to be, right? Air Force Ones. These are some weird utilities, both of them with plastic on the back. Then we've seen tons and tons of Air Forces. Seen tons and tons of different ones, different styles, different colorways. Got highs, lows, mids. They got all kinds. Stuff that we've seen everywhere else. Then I do have to look at what's going on with these. Regular price, $92. $92. Oh, this is a smaller one too, and it doesn't have that much air on it. What the heck? And I'm checking all the other Nike backpacks. Just kind of mediocre. $45 for these. None of them really premium. These are $40, normally $55. Just Not super premium right now. All right, not seeing the most interesting stuff in the women's section. Do got these ugly things right here. The Air Force One slides, whatever the hell they're called. Got pennies. Nothing too exciting. I think gonna have to wrap it up. Yo, Orlando is crazy. I just hit up a clearance store half a mile away. And then it took me, what, 2 minutes to get here. Only drove half a mile. Next Nike Outlet, let's go. This mall, they do have a Lids. They do have a Shoe Palace. They have, I believe, they have an A6 outlet. They have a few other outlets, so we're definitely gonna spend some more time at this mall. Gonna definitely go check out some other shops. Make sure you guys go help a boy up. Make sure you press that like button. If you're new, press that subscribe button. And then check out all the videos right here, man. We got plenty of Nike outlets, plenty. Should have like 6 or 7 just from this weekend. And then, man, got plenty from LA and other cities. So yeah, go check them out. We're out.